Hello everyone. Today I'm back with another video of trading London session. Pre-London. So let's get into it. I'm just gonna start with the top-down analysis first. So as you can see here, yeah. So let's before we delete these lines, let me show you. I took this trade yesterday. It was amazing trade. So on the blue line, that's where I closed the trade. Here, as you can see here. Let me show you the trade real quick. So this was like a New York session. Look, it looks really beautiful and clean setup on the 30-minute time frame. It was actually uh, dynamic risk trade. Yeah. So yesterday, yep, that's it. This one. I got around like 24, 25 pips. So I entered on the break of this low. Actually, I came a little bit late, so the candle moved like 10, 20 pips, then it retraced back. So I entered on the retracement of this candle over here. But it's a really clean setup on the 30 minutes time frame. It does not need any explanation. The price broke below this level, retested, and yeah. Also on the 15 minutes time frame, looked really clean setup. But I secured a little bit early. Could have got like almost 100 pips in 15, like 30 minutes, but yeah, because it's my second trade, I just secured early. So let's get into today's analysis. As we can see on the weekly time frame, so this candle is still, as I told you yesterday, it was after closing above, actually didn't quite close above this support. So let's just remove these lines real quick. Yeah, as we can see here, price is still in this range. So yesterday we were predicting it to go till this resistance, because I believe there was a support over here. Sorry, resistance, and it's broke. Let me show you this. Yep, delete this one. Yeah, so there was some sort of support closed below, like here. Then so can see it's kind of confusing a little bit, but looking to the previous 2 weeks candle, it was a bullish and bullish. So I believe at least this candle will keep going bullish till this area, maybe right around here, or till the top of the range. So this is what we are anticipating for this week. So about today, as we can see, this candle actually didn't close above this resistance over here, but it created a support, kinda. So the candle didn't close yet. We cannot say that it created a support. Let's drop to the lower time frame to see what's happening. Yeah. So actually, price created a support right around here. Really nice support. Mm, Let me draw it better. Yep, a support right around here, and I believe it's gonna retest it maybe, or just keep going till the top of this range, till here. Yes, that's what we are anticipating for today. But there is some little issue, which is this this resistance right around here. Let's drop to the lower time frame. Oh, it's broken below the 1 hour candle. Interesting. And we have like a really clean range. So we are approaching. It's almost there is like 8 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close. And if this candle closed below this small support, closed bearish, I believe we can take sales because look at this clean range till like 3 3,350 almost. So this is around like 100 pip range of clean price. So that's why we have the opportunity. So this trade I took today before this video. So actually it's a little bit messy because I used the dynamic risk as we see here. So I saw the price created a support and then broke below support, but I was not confident because there was no bottom wick over here. And okay, so I just waited for the candle to closed like really nice bullish. Then I entered on the break of the high. Stop loss was around 13, 14 pips. Yep, it was like right about here. And the price went 13 pips, then it retraced. When the price retraced, I actually closed half. And then when I saw this 15-minute candle closed, the other one made a lower wick and then was going to fill this wick. So I entered another half percent right over here. So, but I didn't like the price action. It was moving like really slow. There was no volume. Plus, look how much we move from here. It's almost like 200 pips. So that's why I was not much confident about it, and it was like really slow. So I just closed both my position with a 0.5% loss, 0.6. Yep, right around here. So now let's wait for this 30-minute candle to close, and it closed below this resistance. Right? Oh, so actually this line is from yesterday, but it's like a really good lines. Yeah, price are respecting them, so I like that. Yep, 360 exactly. Mm-hmm. And by the way, this is the London Open trade that we took yesterday, that I took. It was an amazing trade, but I just entered a little bit earlier. Plus, I couldn't enter on this candle because look how much after the break, look how much was the stop loss. It was like 31 pips, 32. This is a lot, man. This is a really big stop loss, and I couldn't take it. So this is the reason I just didn't enter on this break of the candle. But I wanted to. I was anticipating it. But the only issue was that this candle over here, the big loss will be too big. So I waited, but this closed with no top wick, so it was a little bit confusing. But generally, the trade idea was amazing, so it played well actually as I expected. But the only issue was this like a big stop loss. So now there is like 5 minutes left for the candle, for the 30-minute candle to close. This is kinda against the trend, the counter trend trade. Oh, but previous day closed extremely bearish below this resistance. Yep. Oh, but the wick, and it's I believe it's creating no because it's created a support here. So it's a little bit confusing, guys, but we are gonna be more clear after this 30-minute candle closure. I believe it will decide whether price it will keep moving bullish or bearish. Yep, let's move this one right about here, 665. Uh-huh. Draw these beautiful lines. Amazing. Yep. So for Vice, we're looking for closure above here. I know it's a little bit away from this, but just we need the closure above here from the 15. And for here, we need like a closure for 30 or the 1 hour because it's a counter trend trade and we need like strong confirmation. So the thing I like about this time is look at the volume, look at the volatility. It's like really nice. And as we can see, we got closure below this area right around here, and the price just kept going down. And we see here again the same thing. So let's wait and see. There is around 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. We are 30 minutes before London open, and I'm expecting a lot of volume this time. Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm, yep, right around here. See, so I was anticipating the same yesterday's move. Look, because we have a clean range, like up till 370. Look, it's always a clean range whenever the candle move here till like almost 368, 370, same thing. So it was a really clean range. That's why I took this trade. But now, yep. And it's also the second reason I managed risk and entered 0.5% is it was overextended because price moved for 200 pips without a retracement. So I believe now it will retrace or will just keep going bearish. So, and this will be our first target if we enter the for sell. Oba. Let's check how many is this range. It's around 40, 41 pips. Not bad. 4 hour, how's 4 hour doing? Okay, still bullish. So this 4 hour, because it has like a kind of small candle, maybe it could just go to create a bottom wick, still be around like 100 pips, or maybe even less, minimum till this area. You know, see these rejections of the 4 hours, so minimum till this area of 60 pips. Okay, so now 30-minute candle is about to close in 20 seconds. So I would like to see the other 30 minutes, create a top wick, and then go down. Mm-hmm. Like around 40 pips till this area. The 15 minutes totally clean range. So maybe I will use the magic keys for this one. Don't know what is this. Okay. Probably I'm gonna take around like 1% risk on this trade because it's a counter trend. Yep. This will be the 1% risk. Let's wait for another little bit more strong top wick. Yep, like this. So I'm kind of concerned about this trade. I believe maybe it will just create a support because this is not a big closure. And to be honest, I want to see this 30 minutes break below the second 30 minutes. think this will be way much better entry. Yeah, so this is what I'm anticipating at the moment. Mhm. The 15 minutes time frame does not look bad. Let's see how will this play out. Mhm. Stop loss gonna be around 12 pips, so break of the low, 18 pips. So it's kind of big stop loss, but let's see. Let's see how's the volume and how's the candles moving. Maybe I'll enter on the break of the lows, probably 12 pips. No, I think I prefer waiting because this is a counter counter trend trade, and I'm not a big fan of a counter trend trade. Weekly flipped bullish bearish already. Mm, Oh, look at this weekly wick. This is a really big wick on the weekly. Okay, daily looks like it want to create a bottom wick or just flip back. Also on a 4 hour. I believe we should enter on this 4 hour break of the low. It will give us more chance. Yes, so it's exactly this is also the break of the 4 hour low. So let's just be patient and wait. I'm gonna actually put a pending order. Pending, yeah, okay, around here. So the stop loss is kind of big, 32. Okay. Okay, so just I think it's breaking the loss. So okay, stand up on the trade. Yep, right around here, the break of the 30-minute candle. So our stop is around 17, 18 pips, and this is yep, this is the trade idea. Pretty much it. All we got to do is just wait, wait patiently. Yep, that's all. Just waiting patiently. Here was the entry. Here was the stop loss. Yep, 80, 90 pips. Yeah, so I'm actually looking to secure my first profit target on here on this area because look, it was like a strong support area. Mm, okay, let's watch how this trade is doing. It's retracing a little bit, but it's fine. So yes, this is where it broke below the 4 hour low on the 55 minutes. It looks nice too. Uh, only rarely look at the 5 minutes. Sometimes when I'm in trade, to see what the price is doing. Yeah, this is a real clean uh, breakout setup. Impulse entry. So today is 15 July. Time is around 12. What time did I enter? Okay. Yep, that's pre-London. The thing is, there is like around 15, 30, around 23 minutes left for the London Open. I don't like this big retracement. How much is this? Around 1%. Okay, that's not bad. Let's just be patient a little bit more. Oh, okay, so this is why I don't like the counter trend trades. I think I'm done for the day. I'm down around, I think 1 point something percent. But that's alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned from my mistakes. Yep, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna head away now, do something useful. Alright, peace and love.